Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by combining essentials, a clean audio file and a rig with phonemes, then begin creating visemes. First, import the audio to the scene and set the timeline to 24 or 30 FPS depending on project needs. Once done, scrub to the first consonant and drop a viseme marker. Make quick rough shapes for a E, O, M, etc. Make sure to label controls clearly, so later passes are fast and non-destructive. Once the rough visemes are placed, you refine timing and motion with keyframe edits and curves. Push consonant peaks to be crisp, then stretch vowels by a few frames to avoid staccato speech. Use the F-curve editor to smooth abrupt changes and add ease-ins and ease-outs. This reduces mechanical snapping. Then layer in jaw and cheek movement as secondary drivers, blending them between 20 and 60%, so the mouth shapes remain readable while adding natural weight. You finish by polishing and baking the performance, then exporting to the delivery format. First, bake poses to per control keyframes or a cache so playback is consistent across apps, and export as FBX or your engine's preferred format. Do a full playback pass at target frame rate to confirm lip sync. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Check audio sample rates, confirm timeline start alignment, and nudge problem visemes by 1 to 3 frames. Re-render only the affected segment for speed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.